Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn notifications on Telegram. The first thing is from here, after opening up Telegram, you tap on the three lines at the top left corner, tap on settings over here, and then you scroll down to notification and sounds. Here, tap on it, and then you see over here, turn this on to receive notifications from all your Telegram accounts. Then you start turning all this on. Turn it on. And that's it. That is how to turn on notifications on Telegram. So if you also want it, another way you can do it, second way you can do it is go to Telegram again, press down on Telegram, tap on, and then you can see notifications here. Make sure this is show notifications. Make sure this is on. If it's off like this, you must turn it on so you can get notifications. Even you can get notifications from Telegram, because if you turn on the in-app notifications through Telegram and you not turn this particular one on, it will be blocked from popping up. It's as simple as that.